this is me Anish Shankar from Kamalavi Senior Secondary School, Sarguram, and I am the founder of Atal Tech Anish, and this is my team.
Hi guys, I am Siva Santosh and I am the data analyst of this project. I searched and collected data needed for this project and we clubbed together.
Hi guys, I am the developer of this project. I developed the ideality into a real time by using the Python.
So before explaining my project, I have a question for you. Do you know how many new patents are applied every year in India? It's 66,000. Amazing, right? So my thought is, without making new inventions, we can develop some old technologies and modify it and use in some problems. So as like that, this year we made a project SSAT, Smart Student Attendance Tracking System, in which we can track the attendance of the student as well as where is the student now in the campus. So for example, for telling my problem statement, let's illustrate some, I have a story for you. So let's take my friend, and he is going to chemistry lab for doing some work in chemistry. He is doing some project, and without teacher's help he is moving to lab and working on that. Due to some accident he fell down and become unconscious. The school will close at 4:30, and they closed all the labs and rooms in the school. So they don't know there is a student inside the chemistry lab. So finally the parents came and complained to the school, and they started founding the children. In that time it will be more difficult to find that children using cameras. We want to check all the cameras in the school. If the campus is very big, it will be more tough for the technical team. So for this we found a solution for this. The already existing technology is the attendance system, in which the students will use a card in their identity card. If they touch the machine, it will scan the details of their student. With this, we attach a system it will also store the machine where it is. Like for example, if the student scratch the card in library, it will show that the student scratched the card finally in library. Like this, every area there will be a machine, and in open space there will be machine which have high frequency. So it will detect the card from some distance. So in that case, these details will be stored in an Excel sheet. So we designed a software for this in Python. So if we type the date and the admission number of the student, this software will show where the student is finally received the data. Like if the card is finally scratched in library, so it will detect library. In our story, the student is in chemistry lab. So when we type the date and roll number of that student, it will show that the boy is lastly scrapped the card in chemistry lab. So in that case, we can easily found that. So this is our simple idea. So let's see the demonstration of our. Now I am having an Excel sheet here. In this Excel sheet, all the details will be saved. Whenever the student scratch or whenever the device get a detail of a student, it will store that details in this Excel sheet. Here it is having some details like admission number, name, place and date and time. So here is the Python program which I done. This will show two columns here. One is for admission number and another one is for date. Here we want to type the admission number of the student who missed. I am typing my admission number 12081, and here I am typing the date 20/10/2022. So this detail is there in that Excel sheet. So now whenever we press the get result, it will show the result, in which it will show the admission number and where the signal lost. So from this we can find where is the student is now. So this is a simple program done in Python. So here you can see the value is there in this Excel sheet. So it printed that by short it down by the date and the admission number. So this is a simple Python program. So its interface is very simple. If we develop it into a software, so it will be much preferable. And here now I am typing a wrong information and pressing the get result, it will show invalid inputs. so we can correct our inputs. So I think this will helpful for students in a school. So thank you.